2, 1, go. Monday night NBA action. This is Across the Board with Jeff Grant here at SBRForum.com. I'm going to take a look at a Western Conference matchup at Energy Solutions Arena in Salt Lake City featuring the Houston Rockets versus the Utah Jazz. The betting market has basically been unchanged. The Jazz are sitting as 4 to 4.5 point home favorites in the betting market, while the total is between 207.5 and 208. When looking at the Houston Rockets, they have won 3 of their last 4 games since suffering a 7-game losing streak, which was a season high. And they're coming off a 119-106 victory over the Brooklyn Nets as 4-point home favorites on Saturday night. They've really been doing it in transition and scoring in fast break opportunities. They've been averaging 24 fast break points over the last 4 contests. That is much different than the 15.4 the team was averaging during its previous losing streak. Difficult to run on this floor though, and to create those opportunities due to the altitude of Salt Lake City, and that is also why the under is 5-2 in the last 7 series meetings between these two teams. When you look at the Rockets as well, if you're looking to place a straight bet wager on them Monday night, 9-14 overall on the road this year. That includes a dismal 2-10 road mark against conference opponents. When you look at the Utah Jazz, once again, they do their best work at Energy Solutions Arena in Salt Lake City. 15-4 on the year. That includes a current 6-game win streak, coming away with a 114-110 overtime win over the Indiana Pacers last time out on this floor as 2-point home favorites. They average 102.2 points per game at this facility, but the important statistic is the fact that they hold opponents to 95.7 points per game when playing at home. They allow opponents to score over 100 points when traveling away from Utah. From a sports betting trend perspective, the Jazz are 3-1 against the spread as home favorites of 3.5 to 6 points this year. That has also had the under go 3-1 in that situation. The teams have split the first 2 meetings. I think the series is going to continue holding form. What I mean by that is the fact that the Houston Rockets won and covered the spread at home and also went over the total in that game, while the Utah Jazz won and covered the total when they met at Energy Solutions Arena earlier this year, but that one fell well underneath the total. And yes, the Rockets were playing the second game of a back-to-back, which is very hard to do, but I still think that the number has been risen to a level that we get considerable value in playing the under. So my official pick on this game is going to be under 208 and Monday night's matchup between the Houston Rockets and Utah Jazz. This has been another edition of Across the Board with Jeff Grant here at SBRForum.com. For any further information on this game or any other on the NBA board, you can follow me on Twitter at Jeff Grant Sports. Cut.